Hi, I'm Shane Cooper. I'm the Chief Psychologist of DeFeet. Very thankful to win this Well-Crafted award. To DeFeet, it means a lot. Well-Crafted is instilled in our persona, being from this area with all the local craftsmen that were available to help us build our company. We started in 1992, so that's 33 years. And the Well-Crafted also expands to our supply chain. And so when we sell our socks, we sell to 37 countries around the world, #1 cycling sock in the world. But point being is we sell local crafted products. And so local crafted products bring a very high quality, and they bring the user experience up. And so long-lasting goodness is what I feel that we provide with crafting these things locally. One of the reasons we moved to Hickory is the walking path. About 2.5 years ago, the Greenway walking path, bike path was being installed here, and we found a building right on the pathway. And so people are walking by our building. You know, we're an outdoor-minded company, so hiking, cycling, and walking and running. So it suits us really well. We have free coffee in the mornings, and people can come by and shop for socks here at the shop. But we're very excited to be a part of that Greenway. The Greenway actually in Hickory goes across to the baseball stadium, and it can go to the mountain bike, the lake area, and it's just really, really convenient. And I was very proud to see Hickory do that. We were looking at other cities to move our sales and marketing office, but we chose Hickory mainly because of that. Hickory really has done a really good job of looking forward to pave a really nice outdoor space for our future.